Welcome back, everyone. Jim here. This will be I think one of the first videos since we've come back from camp. And camp seems to be doing well. It's snowy up there. But anyway, I'm in the garage. And the other night, today is December 2nd. It's about 7:30 in the morning, and it's about 25 degrees outdoors. So it's getting a little chilly this morning. The other night, 2 nights ago, we had a wicked windstorm up here. And I've lived here for, going on 15 years. And it's the first time anything ever happened to the house in a windstorm. Well, what happened was, let me show you. 2 pieces of my fascia blew off. And I found one of them wrapped around my TV antenna, and the other one was still dangling from the house. So needless to say, I had to figure out how to replace these. Now, I'm not immune to a little bit of work, and I was willing to put these things back up if I could just find somebody that would bend them for me. I wanted to have a few extra pieces in case this should ever happen again. So initially I had asked for 4 pieces, 8 foot long, and I checked several sheet metal companies around the area. And the only one that would give me a price wanted $400 to do 4 pieces. I shook my head. To me, that was just absurd, because I would still have to install them. So anyway, needless to say, that's why I have this brake. And Home Depot has a rental equipment within the store, so I rented this 10-foot brake. And I think it cost me around, I don't know, $80. As far as the material, I already had enough white material, coil, to do this job. It was left over from the shed. So what I ended up doing was cutting some pieces off the coil and bending my own pieces. So first I cut a hunk off of the damaged material just so I could get a profile of what it looked like. And it installs like this. This part here goes under the ridge of the roof. This part here holds up underneath the venting under the edge of the roof. The first thing I did was I made a template and bent it up on the brake so I'd have an idea what steps to take. And this was my template. And it's the same profile as the piece that I just showed you. And I used this to bend all the other pieces. I actually bent 6 pieces, so I've got some spares if this should ever happen again. And I'll store these away in the attic in my shed or something. And then this is an 8-foot piece that I've bent up. Not sure if you can see the edge profile that I have here. Again, this is the bottom edge. This part goes up under the eaves, and it would actually go up like this. This is the bottom. Got a little step, and this goes up under the eaves. So I made 6 of these, and now I've got to return the bender. But for the do-it-yourselfer who likes to do his own home repair and isn't afraid to use a brake, it does take a little bit of skill, and I commend the jobs that I had, life experiences, so that it wasn't that difficult a task. I'll take you out and show you where it come off the house. Did I mention it's only Around 25, 26 degrees out. Yeah, it's chilly. But we don't have any snow. And when we do have snow, I'm ready for it. Got the old snow plow sitting where it does during the fall. So yeah, this is an old house that I have. 1970 is when it was built. And it's been rehabbed when I bought it. And the guys done I guess they done an okay job. I'm not totally happy with it. But you know, you learn to live with it, and it's got issues that you gotta fix. So the wind come up around the back of the house, and here's where the siding came off. And you can see it started at this corner and then didn't all come off, and I don't know exactly why it blew off, if he didn't have enough nails in it or what the scoop was. But anyway, that's what I'll be replacing. And when I have it all done, I'm not going to show you me getting up on a ladder because that's just boring. But anyway, I'll get this put back on and then I'll come show you the end results. Alright, so we're back again. I had Linda helping me, but she was under the weather, so she didn't want to be in the film. There. Now, other than being a little different color because it's brand new, that's all done. And then what we did was we walked around the house just to make sure all the other places, because some of the nails had backed out, we had to fix those. So I think we're all set. Hopefully we don't get any more blow off for another 15 years. So anyway, so I'm going to end the video probably right here. It's warmed up a little bit. I don't think it's freezing anymore anyway. And go edit and get this posted up there. Nice blue sky. Supposed to rain like hell tomorrow. Alright, thanks for watching. Give me a like and a subscribe, and we always like likes and subscribes, obviously. Questions if you want, and I'll be back with another video before you know it. Bye bye.